everyone! Hello everyone, my name is Alisia and in this video I will challenge my little sister to do 10 push-ups in a row. What do you think about this? Okay, she can't do that much yet. She can barely do 2, which is something. Let's watch her progress. Let's see how much time she needs to complete this. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go! For this video, this is day 1. She learned how to do 1 push-up 2 or 3 months before, but this is her first try to do more than 1. Okay, you have to work, you know. Day 4. In only 3 days she managed to double her reps from 2 to 4. So a short explanation in case you are interested, how did she train for this? Yeah, she just did max reps once almost every day. That's all. Come on Anna, you can do this. Day 5. 1 day later, 1 more push-up in her row. So 5 push-ups, already halfway there. Ana. Da. Da. Bravo, Ana. Day 15. Well, she pretty much forgot about this challenge and she didn't train it at all, but she started from where she left. 5 push-ups. Day 19. Crazy progress. Each day she added 1 more push-up, so in this day she managed to do 8 push-ups. So close to the goal. Progressing with push-ups is that easy. You just have to do them consistently and you will increase the number of reps like crazy. This is how you start from 0. Unfortunately, we don't have a video with every day and every progress, but I think it's enough to see her little journey and that anyone can do this. I also started with push-ups. Now I can fly, and so do you. Day 29. Come on Anna, today it's the day. Do you feel ready?
No.
Do you feel prepared?
No.
She only trained when she felt like it, but this day I challenged her to try to complete this challenge because I know last time she was so close.
Yes!
Last time you did 8. Okay, come on, I know you can do this. Let's go. 1, 2, bun, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hai. 9. Hai, Ana. Ana. Hai. Hai, 8. 1 more. Da, dai. Bravo.
Te mai fac una.
Fucking. No. You did it. You did it. How do you feel?
Add your like body type. And
Congratulations.
I did it, guys. Okay. I cook.
He's a TikTok child. So, Anna, my sister, you did it. How do you feel about this?
I feel amazing.
How much did you work for this?
About a month.
She unlocked 10 push-ups in 1 month. Maybe she's not the most disciplined person I know, but she definitely She definitely achieved this. Are you proud of you?
Yeah.
And I am very proud of you. Do you want to say something for the audience?
No.
Stop the...
Learn to do 10 push-ups, guys. If I can, you also can.
What do you want to be her next challenge? You can write in the comments. Are you up for another challenge?
Yeah.
So you have to write in the comments what challenge do you want her to complete next time. Pretty much that was it. Thank you for taking part in this challenge. And thank you for watching this video. Until next time, take care and keep chasing your dreams. Pa-pa!